Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to add confetti effect on add to cart button to your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So what is the benefit of these tutorials? The benefit is that when you add confetti effect on add to cart button, then when someone click on the add to cart button, they will get a congratulation vibe or congratulation environment, and they feel proud. They get a congratulation message from your store, or they honored or respected by your store. So this increase your customers positive vibe about your Shopify online store, and they feel more to purchase because they get recognized, they get honor, they get respect from your when they purchase something. So this is the main benefit. Also, it will make your Shopify store fully different than others competitor. So also it's help your customers to remember your store only for just effect, and you don't have to write any code, you don't have to hire anyone, you just copy and paste and get the result. And finally, I want to mention you will get the ready code snippet in my website e-commerce thesis. I have already published an article, and so you will get this ready code snippets. You just copy the code and add this code snippet on your Shopify theme following this video guideline, and finally you will get the result. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Okay, before adding the code snippet, I want to go to my Shopify home page and open any product. For example, open this one and click add to cart button. You will see that just product added on the cart, and there is nothing without that. Okay, now go back. So click on this three dot icon, edit code. Okay, now go back my website e-commerce thesis and follow the step 1. So open the theme liquid file, open layout folder. Here is the theme liquid file, and copy this line of code. Copy and add this code. You can add it on here. Okay, then go back my website again. Now you have to add the code in the snippet by button liquid file. Copy this line, search this file. Here is the by button liquid, and add this code just before following code. Copy, Ctrl F to find. Okay, that's when we have to add this code in here. So copy the code and paste it, save. Okay, asset save. Now go back my website, reload and click add to cart. Wow, you see the magic? Yes. So that is the effect that we wanted to add, or this animation we wanted to add on our Shopify online store. It looks good, so beautiful, and I hope you are right now surprised. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.